Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD, occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing symptoms such as heartburn, bloating, and regurgitation. While medications can manage symptoms, diet plays a huge role in reducing flare ups. In this video, we'll explore the best foods for acid reflux as well as those to avoid. The lower esophageal sphincter is a valve that separates the stomach from the esophagus. When functioning properly, it prevents stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. However, if the sphincter is weakened or relaxed, acid reflux can occur, leading to discomfort and irritation. How diet affects acid reflux. Certain foods can trigger acid reflux by increasing stomach acid production, relaxing the sphincter, allowing acid to flow back up, delaying stomach emptying, leading to bloating and pressure on the sphincter. By making strategic dietary choices, you can help manage your symptoms and improve your overall digestive health. Best foods for acid reflux. Incorporating the following foods into your diet may help reduce acid reflux symptoms and promote digestive health. 1. Vegetables. Vegetables are naturally low in fat and sugar, making them an excellent choice for those with acid reflux. Some great options include broccoli, green beans, asparagus, cauliflower, leafy greens, cucumbers, and potatoes. Avoid adding high-fat toppings like margarine, cheese, or heavy dressings, which can trigger symptoms. Ginger. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help with digestion. It may also reduce nausea and acid reflux. You can consume ginger in various forms such as ginger tea, grated or sliced ginger in recipes, or smoothies. Some individuals find that ginger worsens their symptoms, so start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a fiber-rich food that can help absorb stomach acid and reduce reflux symptoms. Other high-fiber options include brown rice and quinoa. Non-citrus fruits. Fruits are an essential part of a healthy diet, but acidic fruits can trigger acid reflux. Instead, opt for non-citrus fruits such as bananas, apples, pears, and melons. These fruits are less likely to cause discomfort and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Lean meats and seafood. Low-fat protein sources are easier to digest and less likely to trigger reflux. Good options include chicken, turkey, fish, and shellfish. Avoid frying meats and instead opt for baking, grilling, or steaming. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of protein and generally do not trigger acid reflux. Egg yolks are high in fat and can worsen symptoms, but generally they are okay. Healthy fats. While high-fat foods can aggravate acid reflux, choosing the right fats in moderation can be beneficial, so opt for healthy fats found in avocados, walnuts, olive oil, coconut, and more. Avoid fried foods, processed snacks, and trans fats. Drinks to soothe acid reflux. Instead of acidic or caffeinated drinks, opt for herbal teas, plant-based milks, carrot juice, or other non-acidic vegetable juices, and of course, water. Foods to avoid for acid reflux. While some foods can help manage acid reflux, others may worsen symptoms. Common culprits include high-fat foods. Fatty and fried foods can weaken the lower esophageal sphincter and slow digestion, leading to acid reflux. Limit or avoid French fries and onion rings, full-fat dairy products, fatty cuts of meat, cream sauces and heavy dressing, and fried foods and greasy snacks. Acidic fruits and vegetables. Citrus and highly acidic foods can worsen symptoms. Try to limit oranges, grapefruit, lemons and limes, pineapple, tomatoes, and tomato-based products. Chocolate. Chocolate contains methylxanthine, a compound that can relax the lower esophageal sphincter and allow acid to flow back into the esophagus. Caffeine and carbonated drinks. Coffee, tea, and sodas can increase stomach acid production and trigger reflux. Limit or avoid coffee and caffeinated tea, sodas and fizzy drinks, and energy drinks. Spicy foods and strong flavors. Some spices and strong flavors may irritate the esophagus and lead to heartburn. Common triggers include garlic and onions, chili peppers and spicy foods, peppermint and spearmint. And finally, alcohol. Alcohol can relax the lower esophageal sphincter and increase acid production. Reducing or eliminating alcohol can significantly improve reflux symptoms. Some lifestyle tips for managing acid reflux. Along with diet changes, certain lifestyle habits can help prevent acid reflux. Eat smaller meals. Large meals can put pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter. Eat slowly. Chewing food thoroughly aids digestion. Avoid lying down after eating. Wait at least 2 to 3 hours before lying down. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight increases pressure on the stomach. Wear loose-fitting clothes. Tight clothing can squeeze the stomach and worsen symptoms. Elevate your head on your bed. Raising your head of the bed by 6 to 8 inches can reduce nighttime reflux. Remember, no single diet prevents acid reflux for everyone, but adjusting your food choices can significantly reduce symptoms. Keep a food diary to help identify your personal triggers and consult a dietitian or a nutritionist for a personalized plan. By incorporating reflux friendly foods and avoiding common triggers, you can better manage your symptoms and improve your digestive health.